Good morning, everybody. I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
We are not coming to you from Las Vegas this morning.
Well, we're on the outskirts of Las Vegas, right?
Yep. We're going to skydive, and I'm really nervous. We're at the Jean Airport right now.
We went through the company GoJump, so...
Yeah. We do have video coming to you, and then we'll tell you how the experience went. I will say, we did start off our day. We were staying at Nomad, and we had to walk over to Excalibur to get picked up. About a 30-40 minute drive to get out here. I hope we don't die.
We won't die. Let's go.
Doing this again?
Yeah, again.
Obviously, you make poor choices. Yeah, my quiet quitter. All right, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
For round two?
Round two.
Let's kill it! Do you want to say goodbye to anybody real quick?
No.
I love you, Mama. All right, let's do it. What's your name? Josh. What are you doing today?
Try not to die.
Are you ready for it?
No.
Let's go!
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find. Test the waters, oh, it's hard. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of. Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. You find me dancing on my own.
You're live, you're standing up. How you feeling?
All right, that was actually awesome. I was very scared.
Nice. That's part of the fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay, GoJump Las.
You should get paid 100% effort.
Yeah, that was only 60%. Just wanted you to know that.
Woohoo!
But we kicked ass.
Kicked ass.
Round 2 was excellent.
Excellent. Do it again.
You ready for more?
Yeah, I want to go again.
We're alive.
This means we made it.
Yes.
Yes.
That was awesome.
It was awesome.
I ended up being the first person out of the plane. Thank God, because I really do think it would have been harder if I wasn't.
And at least I don't know what your guy did, but my guy didn't even give me a chance to think about it. Like, we got to the edge and poof, done.
Well, yeah, they flip open the garage door and say, "Let's go."
Yeah.
And then we scoot over, and all of a sudden I'm hanging out.
It was so awesome.
I'm just so glad I didn't puke.
Yeah, that would have been a cool video, but not really.
I hope the footage looks cool. I would do it again. How much was it?
So base price, there's a few factors in it. Base price for per tandem jump is $199 a person. And then if you do it, depending on what time of day, there's a, I don't know what kind of fee it's called.
Fee
but
goes up
yeah,
later
fee
in the
goes up
day.
later in the day, only by like $40.
Yeah.
There's also a fee for the transportation here because of fuel charges. And it says that on their website, which is perfectly understandable.
Yeah.
But it's very convenient. Once you sign up, they're in constant communication with you. I have had emails,
Yes.
phone calls, text messages, making sure everything was done. This place is spot on. It was so freaking cool.
And the guys are the I don't know if you
Tandem
call them
jumpers?
instructor,
Yeah.
jumpers. Very cool. Easygoing. Tell you what to do the whole time.
Oh, there's also photo and video packages, which is why you're going to see some really cool shots and videos. in
Put
here.
that up on the screen for you now.
Yeah, and that ranges in price from a little bit over $100 to $200, just depending on what
Yep.
you want. So really, you can do it as cheap or as expensive as you want. And let me tell you, I think even the second time around for me, if you're gonna do it, make sure you get video or pictures.
You gotta get a video
Yeah.
for at least once.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's GoJump Las Vegas.
I gotta give a shout out to Jace. He was my tandem jumper and he wants to see himself on YouTube. So thanks, Jace.
There you go. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All our links are down below.
Thank you.